Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's Saturday morning and I'm out for a walk because lately I haven't done my regular walk because it's been so hot. And today was actually the perfect day because as you can see it's very cloudy, and right after I came back I turned the water on for my lawn because we haven't had rain from very long time. So I was like, okay, I need to water the lawn. So that's what I did. And I can't function without my chai. So before even taking shower, I was like, okay, I had to drink my tea because when I went for a walk, all I had is just the warm water and that's it. So right after I came back, I made my tea and I'm just gonna sit here for a few minutes. And today for breakfast, I'm making gobi paratha. So before I left for a walk, I cut the gobi and I soaked them in the hot water. And right after I came back, I towel dried them. So now I'm gonna go ahead and chop them in this food processor. And in case if you don't have the food processor, you can always grate them and that's fine too. So here I took about a tablespoon of oil, and I forgot to show you, but in this other chopper I took about 4 small green chilies as well as 1 small ginger, like a 1-inch ginger, and some coriander, so like about 1.5 cup of coriander. So I chop all of them, and into the oil I just add the asafoetida. I'm not adding any cumin seeds, but if you like it you can always go ahead and add that. And now all this mixture I'm gonna add it into this oil and let that saute just for a few minutes. So once this mixture is properly sauteed, I'm gonna go ahead and add the cauliflower into this. Now I do have about 400 grams of cauliflower and it's around like I would say 4 or 5 cups. And at this point we need to make sure that we saute this for a few minutes just to make sure that there is no moisture left in it. Because if there is a moisture, then chances are when you roll the paratha, stuffing will ooze out. Here I'm adding about half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, half a tablespoon of coriander cumin powder, half a tablespoon chunky chaat masala. Now this is the optional, but it's going to give that tangy flavor to the paratha. Also I'm going to go ahead and add just a pinch of garam masala. Now just the pinch, we don't need more. And actually my secret ingredients for this is the kasturi methi. Yes, just the half a tablespoon, not more than that, but it's gonna give really rich flavor to this paratha. So I usually take it between my palm, just rub it and just crush it between my palm and just add it in there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and mix all this, and then once everything is mixed, I'm gonna leave it for a minute or so and then turn the stove off and then add the salt. I never add the salt before because the salt usually, if I add the salt before, then chances are it's gonna ooze out the water, which I don't want it. So I usually add it at the end. And now I'm gonna let this mixture cool down completely before I roll it. Here I made the atta, and that is like a chapati atta. So if you want to know how to make that, I do have the separate video for that, which I'm gonna link it up here as well as in the description box. So I'm just gonna roll that a little bit and then I'm gonna apply a little bit of ghee, and that is the clarified butter on it. So that way when you make the paratha, it's gonna be nice and crispy. And the other advantage of that is when you put the stuffing in there and then roll it, it's not gonna ooze out. That is the another thing. But yes, the main thing is that you need to make sure that there is no moisture left in it at all, because even if you do this step and there is a little bit of moisture left in it, the chances are it is going to ooze out. So that is the main thing, and this is the second thing. And now after I put the stuffing, I'm gonna go ahead and roll it. Now this paratha is a little bit different than the aloo paratha, because with the aloo paratha I can go very thin like a chapati, but with this paratha I leave it a little bit thick side. So I roll it very gently just to make sure that the stuffing doesn't ooze out. And I always put the seam side down when I'm rolling it. And now gently I'm gonna put it on the tawa. Just we're gonna keep it on one side for about 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna flip it on the other side and keep on the other side just for about a minute or so. And now I'm gonna apply the ghee. Now at this point you can always use the oil, but especially with the paratha I like ghee, so that's what I'm using, the ghee here. And as you can see, I'm kind of pushing on the side. So let's say if any time, if you feel like the stuffing is coming out, then you can push it that way and just keep the stuffing in there. So this is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish all my parathas. So there you go, friends. My gobi paratha is all done. I'm serving with the butter as well as the green chili pickle. And once I was done, I went to Walmart to see if I can find the mint, because I usually put the mint in my tea as well as when I make the juice, I add that also in there. But today, I guess actually it was not my day. I couldn't find the mint bunch, but I found the plant. So I bought the plant, and other things that I found was this ginger paste. It was in this tube. So I guess it's so conveniency that whenever you are making the any kind of recipe, you just have to squeeze it out in there. And they also had this parsley as well as cilantro. I guess it was just being chopped for you, so it's just another conveniency, but it was like $4. And then I found this suja new juice. This one is with the ginger, lemon, and the pineapple in it. So I just tried it. I was like, let me see how it is. I bought it. It was really awesome. So if you are a ginger lover, I would say definitely try it. You will like it. So these are the plants. So I bought one plant. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and I guess grow my own mint. And then once I was done here, these are the things I got it. I had my juice as well as the mint plant. And I was here to buy the bird seed because I was running out the bird seed. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and get maybe 1 or 2 bags, because I'm here like almost every week to get the bird seed. So I was like, I'll just go ahead and get 2 of the bags, so I don't need to come here that often. But then tonight actually we are planning to go to Indian restaurant, so I don't need to make any dinner. So I'm just trying to finish all my extra work today. Walmart, doesn't matter if I need anything or not. I always go and browse around in this makeup section. I just like to see what the new things is out there, because you never know. So I'm just spending just a few minutes here because already my kids call me saying, Mom, when are you coming home? So yes, I'm not gonna spend way too much time, but just a few minutes here. By the way, guys, if you are in the market of new foundation, do try this e.l.f. This flawless foundation. I use this. I also have the review on particular this product. If you want to check that out, I'm gonna link it down below. This is amazing foundation, and look at the price. I mean, you can't beat that price, so do try it. Also, their face primer are awesome, and I mean, I don't have currently right now with me. In a sense, I mean, I'm out of it. I'm not using it, but I have used this one, also this poreless primer, and the blemishes one. They are awesome, and but especially the price, you know. I mean, lately a little bit the price is going up, but I remember this were like $3, and these are really awesome product. Elf has really good stuff. Even their lipstick, I remember I do have let me see, where is it? Okay, yeah, this one, this one, the tea rose color, it's awesome. It's a matte lipstick. It lasts very long, and I believe, yeah, that's $3, so that's a good price. And this palette is really good too. These are the new palette from L'Oreal. Look at the colors. They all are neutral, everyday kind of colors. I really like this one. Are the other one. I like this one also. This one is nice too. Sorry guys, as I was talking to you, my son called, so I'll talk to you guys later. I need to go home because you know, it always happens that way. Like when I'm at home, they are fine, but as soon as I leave, it's like, Mom, when are you coming home? So let me go home and I'll talk to you guys later. So here we are at the Indian restaurant. This is the South Indian pure vegetarian restaurant. We ordered mendu vada as well as the green chili onion and cheese uttapam for both of my kids. I had rava masala, and that was the dosa, of course, and it was so yummy. I really liked the crispiness of it. And also we had gobi Manchurian, because my younger one is crazy about the Manchurian, so we ordered that one, and that was yummy too. So friends, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I will see you guys soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.